Hi, I'm Geoff, and I'm currently undertaking my professional year to become a financial advisor here at Watson Wealth.
Hi, I'm Izack, and I've previously completed my professional year at Watson Wealth, and I've been working in the financial planning industry for over 6 years. I completed my professional year in 2024.
Before entering the financial planning profession, I was the co-founder and director of Newcastle and Hunter Community Health, a national award-winning aged care company. Having spent over 30 years working across industries like aluminium, manufacturing, construction, and aged and disability service, I understand firsthand the challenges that both individuals and business owners face. As a former business owner myself, I am passionate about helping business owners build financial stability and plan for long-term success. My goal is to make financial advice practical, approachable, and empowering, especially for families and business owners navigating key life transitions such as retirement, aged care, or business succession.
To become a financial planner, you must complete an approved qualification such as a bachelor's, graduate diploma, or master's in financial planning, which generally takes 3 to 5 years, followed by a 12-month professional year that includes a 1,600-hour supervised training. Under the National Professional Standards introduced in 2019, new advisors must also pass the ASIC Financial Advisor exam and meet strict education, experience, and ethical requirements. Watson Wealth offers a structured professional year program providing the support and mentorship needed to progress into a qualified financial planner role.
The structure divides a professional year into 4 quarters. The first quarter is essentially sitting in on client meetings and getting used to the structure while listening to the advisor. The second quarter, you participate in meetings with clients and provide financial advice while being supervised by one of the financial advisors. And the third and fourth quarters allow you to provide financial advice to clients whilst having an advisor shadow you. So it is stepped out really well and enables you to build confidence you need to provide financial advice.
Working with the senior advisors at Watson Wealth has given me the guidance, knowledge, and tools to grow my career and make a smooth transition into the role of a financial advisor. I'm now proud to work with a wide range of clients, from those just starting out to those building wealth, preparing for retirement, or planning to pass on their estate to the next generation. As a holistic advisor, I focus on tailored advice that aligns with each client's needs, lifestyle, and future goals. This includes retirement planning, investing, superannuation and self-managed super funds, wealth creation, taxation planning, cash flow strategies and estate planning, as well as strategic debt advice in collaboration with our mortgage brokers. It's incredibly rewarding to make a meaningful difference for my clients, their families, and the wider community.
What I really enjoy about working at Watson Wealth is the people and the culture. From our administration and implementation team through to my fellow advisors, everyone is genuinely supportive and focused on delivering the best outcomes for our clients. I love that we are able to provide truly holistic advice by collaborating with our mortgage and legal departments. It means we can look after every aspect of our client's financial journey under one roof. Being part of a family-owned business that's growing yet still offers personalised advice is something I'm really proud of. It's rewarding to see the difference we're making in people's lives every day.
We're always looking for new talent, so if you're interested in growing your career in a collaborative and supportive environment, get in contact today to apply for your professional year at Watson Wealth.